we're still here. Another video, but we're still here waving at the mosquitoes. But I saw something. Put your magnet right. Oh man. Let's see. You gotta back up a little bit. I wanted you to find your own culture. There's a big one right there. See that star looking thing? Oh, you did see it?
No, I see it when you pointed it out.
Look at that beast.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thanks for letting me find it.
Flip it around. Yeah, that one's real big. There's a smaller one right there.
Oh, you got good eyes.
Good game, good game.
Maybe I got one on here.
That's just left over from walking, ain't it?
Yes.
Okay, let's press on. So we drilled out the bottle. You saw that. And this is the take two, same creek. I have no idea what I'm gonna title this thing. She said, I'm surprised you haven't found a gun in here. And I said, I know. So then we got to counting how many we found. Let's see, we found 2 Civil War, the Burnside carbine, which is 100% complete. Absolutely 100%, including the saddle ring. Found the Navy, I believe it was an 1861 Colt pistol. It was 95% complete. That's as if 5% is the handle. I got mosquitoes all over my head. Found that little 25 caliber. Okay, we gotta stop. The 25 caliber that you and I found in the creek together, right?
Yeah.
That's 4. And then the Rune found a Bulldog 38, and he was about 10. And I turned it in. Never do that again. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is. Okay, I'm recording your adventure. Don't fall down, please. There's sticks above your head with spider webs. Still above your head. Kind of stay down a little bit. Oh, you did it. You did it. We're gonna try to get up here where the mosquitoes weren't so bad in the open. I know, that's brutal. Ooh. Oh yeah. You good?
I want to touch my face so bad.
Isn't this done? I mean, fun? You got a lot of those green stickly things on you. Okay, I'm gonna stop breathing hard. I'm trying to talk with the camera close to my face because I don't much. Whoa, this is about how tall my person is. So we gotta bend down that far to get under here. Oh no, backpack. Yeah, do not eat a lot
I know it.
before you come in here. Oh, I felt like I was gonna pass in. Okay, she made an executive decision. Get out of here and go somewhere different. And we got a spot that's on the way back to the base camp. It's kind of quite a drop, but we'll be there in a minute. For you, you'll be there in a fraction of a second. We're not there yet, but we're getting there. That's a little bit of a walk down through here. I think it's up right. Come on, darling. You okay? Let's go to the easy spot. She just stopped me and freak out more saying, hey, hey, hey.
I just found something so cool, and I know it's right. I know what it is, just with my eyeballs.
Can I see if I find it? Or do you want to get it?
I want to show you. I'm just having a look now. My first one.
Oh, you found a knife.
I think it's my first one in a creek.
Awesome.
It was just laying right there.
I haven't searched up in here. Good job. Let me check it out.
We might have to stay. It was laying right here.
That's got all the blades too. I mean, there may be one
It
broke
was
off.
just laying right here. I just have to look down and see it.
Look at that. Good job, darling. Let me take it old broken bottle. Oh, that is so cool. I've looked as I walked. Where was it? Underneath that?
It was laying right here.
I didn't look under there.
I saw that right there. I was like, that's a pocket knife. That's a pocket knife.
You did the pocket knife dance. That is so cool.
I wonder what kind it is.
I don't know. We have to really grease her up, but it once you probably try to open it, the braids might disintegrate.
Oh, that's not
Disintegrate. That is the opposite of integrate. Disintegrate. I don't know. It was probably what's the little tree symbol on those knives? What is that knife?
Oh, you got.
I don't know. I got
You
mosquitoes.
got them all over your head.
Okay, let's get out of here. We're out. What is the name? Is it not Timberland? What is the name? It's got a little symbol right there, and there's a little tree in it sometimes. This knife might be 50, 60 years old. It ain't a 100-year-old knife, but it is stupid cool. And it could be 2,000 years old. All right, next creek.
I got the eyes today.
We're at that spot. We just walked up, and hang on. She just said, look, it's a necklace thing. And I said, no, it ain't. I thought that was a bottle cap.
I saw this right here. Oh my goodness. What is that?
Looks like an old St. Christopher badge or pendant. Pretty dang heavy in it.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, baby.
Oh no, it is. It's a
It's Amelia Earhart.
it is Amelia Earhart. You found jewelry. Good job. Let's go. I was telling her this is slick. Ridiculously slick. So we're at the new spot. And I'm so tempted to go under here. But the deal is, I don't know why all these fish are dead.
It is a saint. It says Saint something Joel.
Why are the fish dead? Sometimes a sharp change in temperature can kill all these creek fish. Don't walk on this stuff where I'm going. I have absolutely cracked my crown in here before. And when I tell my bride stuff like that, y'all don't think I'm being rude, please. I'm being serious. I don't want her to fall down. Now she's got me all energized. Look at all the dead fish, though. I don't like seeing that. I wore my old short boots today. If you could get right here and swish, if the water was washing enough, you know what? I'm going to vote it's washing enough. And I'm going to try it. Last time all the fish were dead, it was in the same creek but about 3 miles from here. And I did some water sampling and tests, and everything was fine. And I contacted the whatever you contact, the people, environmentalist people, and they, you know, explained that it could be just a sharp temperature change. And that may be what it is, because it's cold. Okay, now that she's shown me up, believe me, I taught her all that she knows. I need one rock without any ants. Okay, here's a rock. This rock has about 6 ants on it. Oh, the ants are floating by. Are you stirring them up? I see them floating by. Just chancing. Oh, never mind. They're coming out of this rock. Can't put me old man purse there. I gotta find a place to put it. And then I'm gonna swish right over there. Okay, I wanna get to where you can see. And I'm gonna do this right here. It's pretty clear, isn't it? Yeah, just a couple dead fish. Oh, this is so cold. Look at this giant rock. And swish. Everything gone. She's getting serious. She doesn't even need me anymore. She hit the road. She's looking for her own treasures. I don't see anything yet. There's got to be a coin in here. I need a little more sleevelessness. Now I have found, you remember before we found a, thought that was a coin. We found a silver necklace in here. I wonder if that thing was on that necklace, but why would you put a hunk of gold on a silver necklace? Let me get situated. I want y'all to see while I'm waiting on it to stop moving so much. It'll settle down in a minute. That's all concrete. Every bit of it. I don't see anything. So, let's try right here. Get all the stuff out of the way first. Let's see what big rocks are mobile. If the stuff gets on here, it slides and slides and slides. Y'all see anything? I don't either, and that's the bottom. Look at this whole crack though. She's in the zone. There's something, but it's hung up on that rock. See, they just, from 100 years ago, they just dumped stuff in here. And just over time kept pouring concrete on it. Over, over, and over. But if I was something cool, I'd be stuck in this crack right here. Wouldn't you? Found a coin? What is it? She's already found 2 coins and I'm over here playing. I don't see anything right there. Let's move up a little bit more. This is so slick. Alright, right here. Try right here. I don't see anything. Nothing. You get used to the helicopters after a while. Oh, this is concrete. Well, some of it's concreted in. I think she says she found just a couple of libraries over there. Okay, she's calling me. She's got a good spot. She just said this is a good switching spot. And I told her, I said I've been here.
Yeah, here's
see, there's
my
one.
spot, and then there's
Oh, you found those 2 libraries?
Yeah, I just found this stuff right here.
How do you find that?
It was just laying down there.
What is that left over from before? This is left over from before. Now, you remember I dug this whole channel out. Oh, I see a piece of brass. Can I see that thing? It's an old antique brass knob. I see a spoon handle too. Look at this spoon handle. Not a spoon handle, but what if it was? Wouldn't that have been cool? There's a coin right there.
Oh, I see it.
See this little handle?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, can you get it? Hey, what is that? What is that? What is that? Ah, it's a washer.
I know, it was bumming me out when I found it.
I don't know why I didn't bring this crack. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take this from you.
It's okay.
That's a big old hunk of lead. That is an odd looking washer. That is not a washer. That is lead. That's really cool, especially those dents I just put in it. And also, that looks like a coin.
I know, I saw one over here that looked like a coin that was embedded.
A coin or a button. Okay, good. I poked 2 holes in it. It's coming out. It's out. Where'd it go? Right there.
It's a button.
That's a Louis Vuitton. Okay, here you go. It's all you. Sorry, I was Haagen-Dazs.
It's okay. I wanted you to come see my spot. I realized it was already plundered.
Well, it ain't completely plundered,
Yeah, I just found it.
obviously, because you just...
Where is that coin? I just...
There's a coin.
Well, I saw an edge of one and I tried getting it out.
I just swish and I see 2 coins, and I think that's... Turn around. See your hiney? She just sat down in the water. That's a token. Or, no, that was maybe a... That's a standard issue case right there. And the other one is glued in. It may be a Louis Vuitton. It's right there. Nope. Okay, it's out. Dropped it. I just lost it. It's gone.
No, it's not. It's there. Is it standing up on its side? Oh, I see it.
What is that? You see it?
I think I do.
There's a rock.
You are right.
Where'd it go? How'd it just disappear? That's the opposite of appear. That is crazy. Crazy for feeling. I'm crazy. It is absolutely gone. Absolutely gone. What was that? That looks like a gigantor corn. It's a gigantor washer. I found a coin, but it is not the one. Because, yeah, I'm still standing here looking after all these years. 3,500 years later, there's another round and shiny. Oh, that's it. How'd you get way over there? Has a silver library. I'm just kidding. Standard issue library. Oh, I put it over here. Okay, I'm gonna get all these rocks out. Oh, wait a minute. I see a coin right here. Oh, I see 2. That's not a coin. I see 1. Standard issue library. I'm gonna get all these rocks out right here. If I can, just start doing a little blah blah. She says she found 4.
So heavy.
Oh, it is. That's a brass 4. I wonder what it's for. I figured out what this is. They came off a real strong kid, like Bam Bam, his 4th birthday cake. I put it right there. Okay, I got some of them out. I'm trying to block the sun shine or the reflection so we can really switch the daylights out of this and really look at it good for a minute. The problem is it starts making a little Edward around my legs that are in here and making it hard to see. So you gotta get it moving. And I gotta get my legs out of there. We'll wait for it. Okay, that's kind of good enough. Let's go down here and stop. Hey, what's that sound? That looks like a coin. Everybody look what's going down. I had to finish it, I know. There's a washer. I hear planes, trains, and automobiles everywhere. I see some stainless paraphernalia. Oh, what is that? Old brass zipper. That's an OBZ. Those are quite rare. You have to admit, this is pretty addictive, isn't it? So, with the train coming, I think we're gonna call it. We may stay. If we do, we'll start up another round on this same video. Thanks for watching my videos. Oh, wait a minute. So she found that little brass, that ain't brass, that little gold thing. Let me get it out of my pocket. I want to see it one more time. I'm pulling my glove off. So she found the pocket knife. It's in the wagon. And that has been in there a while. The whole face is flattened on it. It looks and feels gold, but there's no way to tell. Maybe fool's gold. Thanks for watching our videos.